I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you suspect fraud on your Ally credit card, it's important to act quickly. Here is a straightforward guide to help you dispute any unauthorized charges. Step 1. Review your transactions. Go through your recent statements and identify any unfamiliar charges. Make a note of the transaction details, including the date, amount, and merchant name. Step 2. Contact Ally customer service. Call the number on the back of your credit card or use the Ally app to reach customer support. Explain the situation and provide them with the details of the fraudulent charges. Step 3. File a dispute. Follow the instructions given by the representative to formally dispute the charge. They may ask you to fill out a dispute form, either online or via email. Step 4. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account for any updates regarding your dispute. You should receive a notification once the investigation is complete. Be aware that it may take some time. Step 5. Change your passwords. As a precaution, change your online banking passwords and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Remember, acting quickly can help minimize any potential damage. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally's support team. Good luck!